So, hi and welcome guys to my YouTube channel. I am Arfan and welcome to the Zero to Debug YouTube channel. And this is the anime website that I've built using HTML and CSS. It is a pretty low-key, easy website to build, and the source code is available on GitHub. You can copy, you can download the zip file, or you can clone the repository. So let me show you my website. This is a heading. This is the actual header of the website, and it contains the navbar. This is the hero section. Discover the best anime, discover the world of anime, classic, latest release. It is the hero section, and this is the anime list container, which contains the anime list. So I basically know three animes. Actually have completed these three anime, that why I've included them. These are still going. Anyway, so this is the anime list container, and it contains anime cards as a container. And this anime card container contains a image tag, also h2 tag, and a description tag, paragraph tag, which contains a description about an anime in detail. And I've added simple CSS that will scale, such as on hovering it will scale, it will increase its size. And this is the footer tag, footer section, where the copyright symbol is there and all right reserved. I'll show you this code. Basically, you can access the code from my GitHub. I have pushed it via until I have uploaded this video. If I have uploaded this video, you will get the repository in my GitHub and you can clone it. So I'll show you the code. This is the code, index.html. Yes, I'll make sure that all these assets are available in the source code and on my repository. This is the header tag, h1 welcome the world, nav bar. This is the this is the header tag, header section. This is the hero section that this is the header section, this is the hero section. Then this is the section anime list, section anime list. This is a actual anime list section. Now this contains an anime list container, and it contains anime cards. So basically I know three animes, so it contains three anime cards. You can increase more if you know. Just make sure to add their image, heading, and paragraph, short description. And this is the footer section where the copyright symbol and the all right reserved there is. So this is the basic styling that I've used. Nothing more complex, nothing much very hard to understand. And I have used background color padding. This is a basic way. So list style none basically does is what navbar. So it is an ordered list. So list style none is basically, it will ensure that the bullets that appear will not appear. It will disappear, of course. And the padding is none. Then the display inline will ensure that they come in a single line, otherwise they will appear in a column. These will appear in a column. And so hover effect is these. Basically, when you hover them, they change their color. You can do much, you can change them, you can transform them, you can add animations in them. So this is a hero section. This is a nothing much. This is a background image that I've used. And this is the anime container, which contains the anime list, the actual list containing the anime container. And the anime container contains the anime cards. So this is the CSS. It's easy. I have uploaded this on GitHub again. You can just clone it and use the website from there if you want to check it out. This is the footer section, and this is the transform scale property that I've told about, that it will increase its size on hovering. So basically this is the website that I built in not much time, in an hour I guess. So I hope you like it. Again, thank you for watching if you are watching till now. And please do subscribe to the channel. And anyway, this is the first video. I don't expect you to subscribe. A like would be good enough. So thank you for watching, and I'll be uploading more.